What is taking so long?
See man, I forward that. Hey guys, what's up? Oh y'all here. Basically before y'all go see him, you guys gotta give me the entry fee money. You know what I mean? This way, when you present a song to him and he hears it, and I'm sure he's gonna like it.
Oh, we got to give you the money.
You'll get the record deal, you know, you get the record on the track and all that. Okay, thank you. So I got my bread, son. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys. We ready? Alright. Okay, remember, just present the song to him. Hope it's not a scam. I better get a record deal. Come on, let's go. Rapalot, nigga. Hey, Brian, what's up? What's up, bruv? What's up, fam? You alright? So, Brian, the guys that I told you about that, you know, had this song that, you know, is just gonna make a hit, and, you know what I mean, these are the guys. Yo, it's too many niggas in here, man. I feel suffocating. Suffocating, homie. Fuck you talking about? Suffocating? Like when there's too many people's around?
It's suffocating.
Suffocating,
not suffocating.
You're always trying to make me seem like I'm stupid, son.
Suffocating, not suffocating. What's the matter with this idiot?
I need that hit what I could put on iTunes or Spotify. Okay, so what they're gonna do now is they're just gonna present you the song. Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay, guys, yeah, do your thing. Go, yeah. You're gonna enjoy this. She got the NyQuil pussy. One fuck me fall asleep. She got the NyQuil pussy. One fuck me can't repeat. Yeah. She got the NyQuil pussy. Pussy tight and it no deep. She got the NyQuil pussy. No, I quit. One fuck me fall asleep. Yeah. Stop. 1 second. Stop. Oh, can I speak with you? Listen, you said that they was gonna produce me a hit. I can't do this. I can't put this on a track. No, man, no, bruv. I can't do it.
Brian,
I can't do it. I just can't do it.
Like,
bruv, I can't do it.
what? They're not even finished yet.
Do you not hear what they're singing, bruv? They're singing about NyQuil.
But I'm saying,
pussy,
if
bruv.
you give them a
I
chance.
can't do it. I just can't do it. I can't. Bruv, I can't do it. I can't put this on a track.
Listen, man,
I can't put this on iTunes. Bruv, I can't put this on Spotify, bruv.
You know what
I just can't do it,
You're
bruv.
willing to listen.
No, bruv, I can't.
Just tell them that you listen. That's
garbage,
it.
bruv.
You know what I mean? Because I think it sounds good. You know what I mean? I think it's like something's up. Just yeah, but oh my God, son. Like okay.
You said you were
Could
gonna
you
produce
just-
me a hit, bro.
Okay, just
I should hit you
Alright,
instead, bro. This is not a hit.
yeah, fam. But
Bro, this is trash, bro.
But Brian,
I can't do it. I just can't do it. I can't put it.
Just let him
I'm
finish.
sorry,
okay?
but
Just
I can't
let
do
him
it.
finish.
See this nigga acting like he don't like this
When
shit.
we leave, they can decide like whatever.
Okay, but
you know what I mean.
But after,
Just let him finish. Just hear him out. Okay.
but after they gotta leave because I can't give you a deal. I can't give you a deal with this. I can't put this on the track. You just gotta leave. Yo, someone better reimburse. Yo.